Okay, I get it. This may not be everyone's ideal camping weather. Okay, it's grey, it's miserable, it's raining. The weather forecast this weekend isn't most people's ideal weather. I get it. You know, when you think of camping, you think of, sitting around the fire pit and having a barbecue and running around in the sun and having a cold beer. But hear me out. Here I am, cleaning it ready for a couple that is coming tomorrow. They've seen the weather forecast. I double checked. Listen. In my opinion, there is no better sound than rain on a bell tent. Just the two of you. Get a takeaway, come back, chill on the bed. All these solar lights come on when it's dark. And just lay and be still and relax. Those of you who know me, this is my ideal camping weather. That sound.